In this video, we're going to continue looking at how to take triangles that we've proved similar and work out how to get this rearranged formula. And so just to go back and say very briefly, for me, the minute that I've proved two triangles similar, even if they're not asking for it yet, I would almost do this as a habit. So I've proved them similar because I found two angles that were the same, because then it's implicative that the third angle would also be the same. I immediately just say the first two letters over the first two. I call these the ratio fractions, the last two over the last two, and the first and last over the first and last. So just get into a habit. Once I proved similar, write out the ratio fractions. Now, you've probably come across questions where this is the question: prove that RV times TS equals KV times SR. And for a lot of people, you don't know where to start with that. And so the best thing to do is to rearrange it back into fractions. And so it doesn't matter which one you really take down. So here you can see I left the RV and I brought the SR down to the other side. I left the KV and I brought the TS down. And so that left me with this kind of a setup. And then what you're able to do, which is an absolute game changer, is you can look across and see what triangle you're working with. And so by doing that, I've now seen, okay, so all that this weird mumbo jumbo is actually just saying, try and prove that RVK is similar to SRT. It could be, just so that you're aware, it could be that you're also looking downwards and you end up getting a triangle this way. Sometimes, like for us here, if you do that, it doesn't work because, for example, here I get KVTS, which is a four-sided shape, not a triangle. RVS, this combo could have got us a triangle to work with. And so when you've got mixed up letters, sometimes you might find letters that are squared, something like this. When you find either of these kind of options, rearrange into fractions. You can look across for both, or you can look down for both to see which triangles you're proving similar. And then you go ahead, prove them similar, write the ratio fractions, and you should be a step away from rearranging it back into the answer. I'm going to do some other examples like this and some cool varieties in the next video. But I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend.